Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome all the students of grade 6. Selamat datang untuk semua siswa kelas 6. And this week's material before your long holiday is about relative clauses. Jadi sebelum liburan panjang kalian minggu ini, materi yang kita bahas adalah tentang relative clauses, or we can say it the connectors atau penghubung. Okay, let's get started. Let's see what relative clauses are. Kita lihat apa itu relative clauses. Now, before that, look at these two sentences. We look at the boy, and the boy is singing beautifully. Nah, if we look at these two sentences, kalau kita lihat dua kalimat ini, there is a same word. Jadi ada kata yang sama, which is boy. A boy and the boy. Because they are the same, karena mereka sama, we have to delete the second one. Jadi kita hapus yang kedua. Nah, like this. And what we do now, we have to connect them. Kita harus sambungin mereka. But let's see. A boy, is it something or someone? Yes, it is someone ya. Ini seseorang. Nah, so it means we will connect it with who. We look at a boy who is singing beautifully. Kami melihat ke seorang bocah laki-laki yang menyanyi dengan indah, atau mungkin dengan merdu. Now, if you use to connect someone, jadi misalnya kalau kata sebelumnya itu a boy atau seseorang, misalnya a boy, or a girl, a man, or people, use who. Pakai kata who. Jadi, who is for someone. Let's go to the next one. Look at these two other sentences. He just bought a cat. Dia baru saja membeli seekor kucing. The cat looks cute. Nah, kucingnya terlihat lucu. Which one is the same word? Kata mana yang sama? Yes, a cat and the cat. So we can delete the second one, which is the cat. Now, a cat is not a person. Jadi bukan seorang ya. So it is an object or an animal. Jadi dia jelas bukan orang. If it is not a person, kalau bukan orang, which mean it is something. And if it's something, then you use which. Jadi pakai kata which. So the sentence should be connected. Jadi dua kalimat ini harus disambungkan. He just bought a cat which looks cute. Okay, so if it's someone, use who, something, use which. Now, again, check this out. I walk to the park. Saya berjalan-jalan ke taman. People get a free ice cream in the park. Orang-orang dapat ice cream gratis di taman. Nah, if you see here, the same word is the park. So we have to delete the second one. The park, taman, it is a thing, but it's more like a place. Jadi sebenarnya lebih ke tempat, or a somewhere, suatu tempat. So if it is a place, you use where. So it will be, I walk to the park where people get a free ice cream. Ini nggak usah dimasukin ya. So I walk to the park where people get a free ice cream. So that's for a place, you use where. And the last one. The last ones, they remember a day. Mereka mengingat sebuah hari. One day, they talk about many things. Here you see a day and one day, they are the same. Jadi day-nya sama. So scratch the second one. And day is not a place, not a thing, not a person. Jadi dia bukan tempat, bukan benda, bukan orang. It's a sometime or it's a time. Kalau dia waktu, you use when. So it will be, they remember a day when they talk about many things. Mereka mengingat sebuah hari di mana atau ketika mereka membicarakan banyak hal. So who, which, where, and when, they are relative clauses. Mereka itu namanya relative clauses. Jadi mereka itu the connectors atau penghubung kalimat. Jadi dua kalimat connected into one. Jadi mereka disambungin jadi satu. Now FYI, for your information, we will learn about some relative clauses today. Kita akan belajar beberapa relative clauses hari ini. And I told you, they can connect two different sentences. Mereka bisa menghubungkan dua kalimat yang berbeda. For example, who, like I told you ya, for connecting people. For example, he is a man who is a male. Dia adalah lelaki yang pria. Apa sih? The point is, dia adalah laki-laki yang berjenis kelamin pria. The who, usually, in bahasa, it means yang. Jadi artinya yang kalau dalam bahasa Indonesia. Same like which, for connecting things like objects and animals, untuk benda dan hewan ya. For example, the cat which is white is not black. Kucing yang putih, nah remember ya, yang putih is not black, enggak hitam. Of course. What am I looking at here? Okay, next, where. Where is about location. So it's for connecting places. For example, I know a cafe. Aku tahu sebuah cafe where, yang di mana, ada yangnya ya, but yang di mana we can buy food. Kita bisa beli makanan. Next, when. I told you when it's about connecting time. For example, this is the moment, ini adalah momen when, yang mana atau yang ketika we have to say goodbye. Kita harus bilang selamat tinggal. Now that, I didn't explain about that. Jadi tadi saya nggak jelaskan masalah that, karena that can be used as who, can be used as which. Jadi bisa sebagai who, bisa sebagai which. Jadi bisa connecting people or things. For example, it is the tiger that is not a lion. Jadi itu adalah harimau yang bukan singa. You confused? Yeah, me too. Yeah, that's the example. It's the tiger that is not a lion. Itu adalah harimau yang bukan singa. Okay, so these are the 5 relative clauses that we study this week. And I will also give you the assignment. Saya juga akan ngasih tugas. And please do it while you enjoy your holiday this week ya. Now, thank you. Now, if you missed the previous materials, you can check out the other materials on my YouTube channel. Okay, so these are some videos. You can see more videos on my YouTube channel by the name Ahmad Taufik. If you have questions, you can ask me maybe during the Zoom session, or maybe you can ask me by leaving questions under the comment panel on my YouTube videos. Okay, thank you very much and see you again next time. Don't forget to do the assignment. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.